welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's Maya back again with another bomb ass YouTube video. So today, as you guys can tell the title, we are back with our monthly Shein haul. If you guys are new here, I do a Shein haul every month. You already know how this goes. I'm gonna put my discount code up on the screen for you guys to use whenever you guys are shopping, and you already know that all of the links to all of these items will be linked in the description box down below. All you have to do is click the title and they will all pop up. This is what we're working with today. A pretty big box, pretty cute items. And you guys know I got y'all with fine and cute items. Like, y'all already know. No. And we're gonna get straight into this video. Okay, so you guys already know I start off with accessories, and I did get a couple of them for this haul. So first up, we have this little set. It's like a little set, and it's like the little jewelry that goes across your belly. But this is what they look like. So they just go across your stomach like this, and then you tie it up. It is adjustable in the back. This whole thing is for you to, like, you know, adjust it and put it wherever you want to put it at. So next up, we have a pair of shades, and as you guys know, Shein does come in these cute little packages. But this is what these look like. So first of all, get into the details. Like, it got the little hearts and it's clear, and when I seen this, I was just like, this is really giving me like Y2K vibes, y'all feel me? And I'm all for the vibes. I'm all for the vibes, and I actually like it, you know. It's cute and it's stylish. Like, we all about that. Okay, so next up we have this case. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my phone so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. The puffer cases, this is kind of like that. Like, you see, it's up. Hello. Yeah, I'm on the block. Next up, we got this cute little teddy bear bucket hat. This is what the hat looks like. As you guys can tell, it's like a teddy bear kind of material, and it is like a creamish color. And I don't know why, but I just like wanted to get it, and I think that bucket hats are cute, and I don't own one, so yeah. Next, we have a scarf. So this is what this scarf looks like, and as you guys can see, it's very fluffy, and it has this over here. The only thing that I could already say about this is that it freaking sheds. So I don't really know how like we gonna do that, because I mainly wear black, and it's like, if I wear black with this is super cute though. What the heck? I feel rich. You see, this is black. Oh, I don't really see it shedding for real. Next up, we have a pair of shoes. Well, boots. I actually got two pair of boots. Okay. Whoa, these bitches bulky. This is what these look like. Listen, hear me out. So as you guys can tell, these are platform, and they're like socks. This is in a size 37. 37. Yeah, 37. And let me try these on, because 37, they look long. And my feet, I literally am a 4.5, so they just big. I could have sized down. But yeah, this is what they look like. And I look like a freaking farm girl. Just went outside to do, like, feed the chickens and shit. Okay, and the last item before we get into the clothing pieces is another pair of boots. High thigh, high heel boots. They are leather material. These right here is dangerous. Oh, if I gotta run in these, bro, they gonna catch me. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I know how to walk in heels, but these right here are super high. This is how high they go, and this is what they look like. You guys see how pointy they are? The way you made me feel these days. I could still do a little sign. Okay. Okay, they might be valid. First clothing item that we have here, it is a long sleeve shirt, and I got this in a size extra small. Okay, so obviously don't mind the robe, because I was gonna take it off and come here with nothing, you know. But to get into the top, so as you guys can see, it is like it's like a shiny material. Like, you guys see this? This is very tight fitted in my arms. I definitely should have sized up and got a small instead of an extra small. Once I'm in it for a little while, like, I will be fine, you know. Like, I will be fine, but I could have sized up. But as you guys can see, like, crosses right here. Don't mind this. If you guys are not new here, you guys know what it is. If you guys are, it is a burn from the flat iron, but currently iron. So next up, I'm gonna try a pair of pants so I could take this robe off. And I got these leather pants. I got this in a size petite, extra small, because you guys know when it comes to leather pants, like, they just don't really be fitting right, so I had to get a petite extra small. This is what the leather pants look like. As you guys can tell, they fit me. Yes, we have a little gap back here, but you know, it's fine. You can't have best of both worlds. Like, you can't get the waist and the thighs. But as you guys can tell, they do have pockets, and they do have pockets in the back. They do have like a line right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. I love the way that these fit me way more because they're not too wide at the bottom, as you guys can see. And this would just look cute with sneakers, heels, like whatever you decide to pair it with, it will look cute. Okay, so next up we have a top, and I got this in a size extra small. We have the Skims dupe shirt. You guys should already know what kind of shirts these are. If you don't know, this is a shirt that's under a collection called Shein Babe. They call Shein Babe shirts, and anything that's from Shein Babe is literally, like, the material is literally so flattering to the body. It's like a very, like, stretchy material, you guys can see. And I call them Skims dupe shirts because they just give me skins. Like, that's just what they give me. I decided to get this pink one because I have, like, all the neutral colors, but I don't have no pop colors. And I feel like I want to start wearing pink more. I like how it looks on my skin tone. These shirts are very, very comfortable. Very, very flattering. And they have about, like, 11-12 colors that you could pick from. So we have another shirt, and I got this shirt in extra small. Next up we have this long sleeve off the shoulder, crop, crisscross, tie in the front, top of top. We got all the type of actions going on, but this is what this shirt looks like. As you guys can see, I just explained everything, all the details. This is the material of it. It is like a rib material. I actually like this top. I don't really think it's see-through for me looking at it. If it is, close your eyes, kids, close your eyes. But this is actually a pretty cute top that I decided to get because, you know, this will be cute on a little night out. Honestly, when it comes to sizing, if your arms, like, it's good on my arms. It is stretchy, but I do suggest for you to stick to your regular size because this right here is adjustable. Like, you could put it as tight as you want or as loose as you want, you know. And I love that because, you know, not everybody's blessed. So next up we have these pair of leather leggings, leather, like, dress up pants, and I got this in a size extra small. So fingers crossed that they fit me because these are a regular extra small. These are petite extra small. It's a big difference. So let's see. So this is what the leather pants are looking like. As you guys can see, they do fit me. They do have the zipper on the side. This is what the back looks like, you know what I'm saying, yeah. And they do have like a slit right here on the side of both, which makes it look very cute with heels on. But yeah, they fit me good, and I'm actually glad because I thought they wasn't gonna fit me. At the end, like I said, when it comes to leather pants, you're always gonna have some type of wrinkles going on. So next up we have this jean corset, and I got this in a size extra small. Okay, so this is what the corset looks like. I can't really tell if it's really picking up the details in the camera. But as you guys can tell, it's like a jean corset, but it's black. So it is adjustable. You do adjust it to your liking on the sides. Somehow it's still loose. Like, I don't know why, but maybe because this doesn't have the sticky thing that, like, their corsets usually have. Shein usually always have the little sticky thing right here. So when I wear this, I will probably wear this with, like, boob tape and put it right here just so I don't have to be putting it up all the time because that could get annoying. This is how the back looks, just like a regular tube top in the back, and then this is the front. So next up I have this leather skirt, and honestly I just realized I got a lot of leather stuff. Well, only 3, but that's a lot for one haul. But I got this skirt in a size extra small. Okay, so this is what the leather skirt looks like. As you guys can tell, it is kind of like, I don't really know. This is how the back looks. Is you guys focused? The back looks, I don't think, hold on. I'm kind of bright, but I had to put it up because you guys couldn't really see the skirt. But as you guys can see, this is how it looks. I don't really like this. If this would have been fitted and more tight, if this would have been like an extra small, it would have been cute. You get the vision. Maybe if I wash it, it will shrink because that's people say leather skirts or leather things get smaller in the washing machine. So that's what I'm gonna have to do because I really wanted it to fit like tight like this. Next, we have this long sleeve top, and I got this in a size extra small. Okay, so this is what the shirt looks like. As you guys can tell, it's like this cute charcoal color, grayish, and it is like a rib material. It has an H right here with freaking little rhinestones on it. The fitting of it is actually great. As you guys can see, it goes right on like on my belly button, so it's not really cropped, but it's not like full on down here. I actually like this shirt. I feel like this is a very chill shirt that you could throw on a chill little photo, like a chill little day, you know, and still look cute. So next up, we have this skirt, and I got this skirt in an extra small. Okay, so this is what this skirt looks like. And first of all, I've been eyeing this skirt on Shein for a minute now, but I didn't get it. I don't know why, because this skirt, like yo, first of all, it's giving body. I just love this skirt, and I'm going to be wearing this as soon as possible, like I promise y'all. The material is it's like a very thin material. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's very thin. The back looks like, as you guys can see, this is how long it is. It does has like a slit on two sides. It has pockets on the side, like little pockets, and then it ruches up right here. The back is just regular. It doesn't ruch up or anything. I actually love this. This is my favorite item of this haul, literally. As you guys can see, I did change my top because I didn't want to put it on with the long sleeve. I think it just wasn't doing it justice, so I just put this top on, and I got this top from Shein as well. But next up, we have this other top, and I got this in a size small. Okay, so as you guys can tell, this is like a mesh top, and it literally looks so freaking dumb because I have this on, but let's just act like that's not there. Obviously, when you wear this, you have to wear it with like something under, like maybe like a strapless bra, so it will look nice. Because if you wear anything that got straps, this kind of like goes off the shoulders, or even if it goes on the shoulders, it's like semi on the shoulders, not really on your shoulder, you get what I'm saying? But this is what it looks like. This would definitely be very cute with like a black tube top, and I think it's pretty cute. And it's comfortable. I'm glad that I got it in a size small, because if I would have got an extra small, it just would have been too tight, because it already fits me nice. And I got it in a small because I wanted it to be like a bigger look a little bit, like not tight fitted, but this is not tight fitting, as you guys can tell. So next up, we have a pair of jeans, I believe, or jean cargos, and I got this in a size extra small. Okay, so this is what these pants look like. As you guys can tell, these are jean cargos. And I actually love these. Like, the way that they fit me, they do have a little gap in the back, but that's fine. Like, they don't make me look super flat. They fit me great right here. And then they have, like, pockets all the way down to here. And then they also got pockets right here, which is so cool, because I never seen pants with the pockets, like, in front of you. And I just seen this, and I was like, these are a must. You guys know, when it comes to Shein jeans, they've been stepping up with their game, and this literally feels like real good jean material. Next up, I got this pretty cute coat, and I got this in a size small. So this is what the coat looks like. As you guys can tell, it's like a army green puffer coat. It doesn't have pockets, which is the only downside for me, because I left pockets on anything. Like, if you could put pockets on them, put pockets on them. It is lightweight though. Like, it doesn't feel like super heavy, and it does scrunch up at the bottom, so it gives you like that nice, you know, look on the back, to where it's just not just blah, like, you know, just straight down. I love when like sweaters or jackets got this, because the cinch up on the waist it just makes it look better. Next up, we have another coat. This is like a teddy coat, trench coat, teddy coat. I don't really know which one to call it. It's like a teddy trench coat, and I got this in a size small. Okay, so first of all, listen, like, what are we talking about? This one right here did it for me. Like a fluffy material, you guys see, and then the color is everything. The inside is like this, so it doesn't feel too hot in the inside, or it doesn't feel uncomfortable whatsoever. This is the length of it, so it literally go past my knees. Like, it's super long, and I just love this. Like, bro, oh my, like, this right here just gives me business, woman. Oh my god, I'm actually excited to wear this. Like, where are we going? Where can I go? So next up, we have this two-piece set, and I got this in a size extra small. Okay, so this is what this two-piece set looks like. As you guys can tell, it brings the tube top. This is the type of material that it is. It's like a, I don't know if you guys can see. I hope you guys can, but it's, I feel like, not a knitted material. It's like a red material, but it's like, I don't know. When it comes to describing materials, bro, I couldn't tell you if somebody had a gun to my head, honestly. Like, I hope y'all can see better now, but this is what the pants look like. As you guys can see, they're like the flowy pants. This is how they look like at the bottom. I did fold it up right here because me and folding up pants like this, we just get along. Like, they just look better like that. You guys already know what I say. Two-piece set, you can't go wrong. Because you don't have to wear it together. You can literally wear it separate. Next up, we have a three-piece set. And I got this in the extra small. Okay, so this is what this three-piece set looks like. As you guys can tell, it brings the tube top, it brings the skirt, and it brings the cardigan. They have different colors, and I decided to get in kind of like this orange, like burned out orange color, because I just thought it was cute. Me personally, I feel like I would wear it without the cardigan though. And again, like I said, when it comes to sets that come together, they don't have to stay together. You can really separate them and wear it with different things. This is cute. This is actually super cute. I actually like it more than I thought I was. I love the way the skirt fits me. It like fits me tight fitted, how a skirt should fit. And I love that for me. So next up, we have this dress, and I got this dress in extra small. Okay, so this is what this dress looks like. It is a little bit see-through because of the ring light, because the material, it is like very thin. For starters, the only complaint that I have about this is the fact that I feel like it don't really fit me like an extra small. Like, this is something that you could definitely size down in, and if they would have had an extra small, I would have went with an extra small. But besides that, as you guys can see, look at the details. It has a little slit right here with like your belly out, your belly button out, and then this is what the back looks like. And then it has a slit that comes up, and then it does go long all the way down to my feet because it's on the floor dragging. The material, like I said, it's a very stretchy material. So you guys see like how you could see my elbow, and I really like this, honestly. I just wish it was a little more tight fitting.